Nick, you're done.
Nick Thompson done.
Yes!
John Kennedy done. Wildman done.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at 400 RC Raceway for the HB Challenge 2025. We've just gone through our 3 qualifiers. I've been racing 40 plus E-Buggy today with my Techno EB48 2.1. And I'm happy to report that I qualified very well with this. So we did 3 qualifiers. It was best 2 out of 3 combined qual points. And I'm starting 4th with E-Buggy. That's a pretty good start position. I was hovering between the second position for a while, but after the 2 grids of 40 plus E-Buggy combined for points and stuff, it ended up that I'll be starting in P4 in the AMAIN with my Techno EB48 2.1. Just for electronics wise, if you don't know, I'm on a Hobbywing G3, XR8 G3 Pro with a 1900 kV motor. I run a FlySky Noble radio for racing this, as well as I'm using a Genzace Redline 2.0 140C 6300 milliamp hour hard case lipo, and it's going to be a 10-minute main. I don't know if we're doing bump ups or any of that stuff, but I'm already in the A, so I have no bump up chances. As far as I know, they are not doing double mains. I think it's just going to be single runs, and we're just getting the mains up now, and we'll go out there and see if we can podium in 40 plus old man spec with my Techno E-Buggy.
John Kennedy.
Whoops. All right, stage up in the 4.
All right.
Oh boy.
All right, gentlemen, everybody checked in. I'm going to run through the order again, make sure everybody's in the correct spot. TJ in 1, John in 2, Nick in 3, John Kennedy in 4, Wildman in 5, Dan Holmes in 6, Greg in 7, Dave in 8, Chris in 9, Jim in 10, Mean Gene bringing up the rear. All right, guys. Drivers ready. Marshals ready. We're going racing on the sound of the tone. Okay, help him out here, help him out here. Thank you, Newton. Appreciate you.
Whoa, I spun out.
Newton, appreciate you.
Whoa, I spun out.
Ooh, there's Lucy in there. I got mosquitoes biting my fingers.
Thank you. Give you guys a few low. After the first lap, we got TJ out front. After lap 1, TJ's out front. Followed by John, followed by Chris, followed by Dave, then John, then Jim, then Dan, Nick, Wildman, Greg, and Bean. TJ and John going through here, following each other. Nose to tail.
Oh,
Off some positions there.
Help him out here, help him out.
Man, it's loose.
so loose.
Yeah.
Here, get back in the phone, please.
Who is Tim? Tim, number 4. Stay by the cone, blocking the corner. There you go.
Oh, get the camera girl. Can't stand there. Blocks the corner.
Can't reverse. Don't be reverse now. You're playing like a diva.
Okay, guys. Sorry about that. We got John out in front now with Dave
Okay.
in the number 2.
You throw the people on the road. Keep it up. Look out. Put it up.
He did jump all the way back. He had a problem. Missed it.
How do you go catch?
Running order, John, Dave, followed by Kennedy, followed by Golden, followed by Dan Holmes, followed by Jim Rogers, followed by Chris, followed by TJ Bradley, followed by Nick, followed by me and Gene, followed by Wildman. Dan, Jim, and Chris, they're only separated by 1.5 seconds each. And that's the closest race we have on the track.
Oh no! No!
Right behind you, right behind you, right behind you. And Chris and PJ. What's the matter? Going over right here.
I messed it up.
Two minutes, 15 seconds to go. 2 minutes, 15 seconds to go. We have John Hollister, Dave, and John Kennedy on the podium right now. Greg Golden is only 2 seconds behind. He's trying to get on that podium.
Marco, behind you. Hey.
Thank you. Hello guys, Master right here. All right, we got John, Dave, and John. That's the podium.
Marco. Hey, Paul.
1 minute left.
That's the leader in the pink buggy. Let him by when he gets close to you. Yep, that's the leader. Thank you. Keep braking, I'll tell you. Everybody behind you is in full position, Greg.
How much time left?
2 seconds.
Ah, can't see.
Cross the line, you will be
Nick
done.
is done.
Oh no!
You're done.
Dan Holmes done.
Dan, you're done. Nick, you're done.
Nick Thompson done.
Yes!
John Kennedy done.
John,
Jim Rogers done. Wildman done. Sean Fuller still
John
done.
Hollister, you got second, you got third.
Woo!
Greg Golden done.
Greg, you got third.
Jimmy Alla done.
My car went. I fucking lost
Right
the
on,
shock.
guys.
I couldn't even get in the fight, buddy. I wanted
Yeah,
to battle,
I
but
know.
I couldn't.
All
Good racing, man.
I was there to retire.
Hey guys, good race, man. Good race. Holy!
All the winners, please come up to the front for podium.
Holy! I podiumed. Woohoo! I didn't see you at all, but man, I was pushing hard to try and.
third, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good for you.
Yeah, man. All right, third place, podium position. We did it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Keep it clean.